Hello everyone. So today's video is friends. And at first I thought there's only two ways to do this. One, to just post a photo or a few photos. Or two, to do a whole lot of editing and so I can cut in pictures and talk over them and whatever. And then I got thinking about it and remembered there were other ways. So the first person I want to talk about is my friend that I've had the longest. She's actually one of my best friends. And she actually has a few different business names she goes by. She's an amazing musician. She's a singer-songwriter. She plays the violin, fiddles, the works. She goes by Fiddlin' Mama and Music for Tiny Tots. And she actually has a YouTube channel, Anna Annawalt, ANNA space ANAWALT. And I'm going to play just a quick section of a song she's written and she has on her YouTube channel. So that's a little sample of what she does. I don't want to do too much because I don't need a YouTube strike. Not that she would do it, but YouTube, you know how it can be. She actually, in April, did a video about, she read a book, and it was actually kind of, I felt pretty significant for people with EDS because of the themes in it and stuff, and fits perfectly because it talks about everything from not problems to major problems, etc. And the video is titled You Are Special and Loved. So I will try and have a link to her YouTube in the description. Go and check it out just to see what she's got. She doesn't post a lot, but I think that's pretty cool. I've got some new friends also I want to bring up. One of them I actually found because of this channel last year as we were doing the awareness month. I got with someone and wanted to collab with them. And she's actually the one I ended up doing a collab with. In the end, she actually not just became a good friend, but also a co-business owner with me because she so wants to see this app developed. So I think that one's cool. And I've actually linked to her YouTube in the past. I'll link to it again in the description also. I've got other friends that, some friends that totally support me with EDS, and other friends who don't know very much about it, if anything, and some who don't want to hear about it. But they all add to my life in one way or another. It's important to remember that if they don't add to your life, they probably, and especially if they tear you down, they are not actually a friend. But just because they may not know or accept as much about EDS, it doesn't mean that you can't be friends. But one thing that's very helpful is being aware of your friends and choosing those and recognizing that some friends will come and go, but have those friends who you can always reconnect with, no matter how long it's been, and still feel and so like you're friends and support each other. My friend that I've been friends with the longest will go months without saying a word to each other, not saying anything on posts, anything like that to each other, just not talking at all. And then just we say hi to each other, or she posts something or I post something, and we communicate for a little bit, and then it may be a while again. And that's really helpful, especially with EDS, because you never know when you're going to have time to do stuff, how much energy you have, stuff like that. But social media can also be very helpful with that, and finding those types of friends that you can communicate with when you have the energy and that you don't have to feel pressured to communicate with. Some of my Facebook friends I found through groups or this channel or different things like that. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.